Good morning, Juicy Good Lifers. I'm Sarah Stokes, the founder of the Juicy Good Life, and I'm so excited because InstaJam is here. This was born from our July Success Strategies Day when we were talking about Instagram for business, and so many of the people at that day were like, I need more help. And so, ta-da, we created more help. We are doing beginner level Instagram training for business owners today with a fun twist of being in our comfy clothes, because how many business trainings do we go to and we have to come in a full suit or whatever. It's not as juicy, right? So we are going to be doing this for the next 3 hours. I'm so excited to be hanging out with these wonderful women and learning more about Instagram from the expert minds of Catherine Borman and Taylor Pellicero in our office, which they truly are leading the way on this new kind of social media platform for businesses. So Instagram's been around for a while, but we are looking to understand it, use it to our full advantage for our brands and our personal lives as well. So we're excited for the next couple of hours. And if you are wondering, okay, how do we get in on more of this? Taylor and I are going to be speaking at the social media conference about Instagram at the Eau Claire social media conference put on by the Chamber here in September. So you can join us there, or we hope to, get some good recording video here and turn this into an e-course for you if you couldn't be with us today. So have a great, great day, and thanks for making the world a better place.